In this video, we'll demonstrate two different ways to reset the Connect Air Bluetooth transmitter. First, the software reset. A software reset is used to clear all Bluetooth pairings from memory and is also a good troubleshooting step if you're having trouble pairing headphones with your Connect Air. To perform a software reset, first power on the Connect Air by pressing the button for 2 seconds. Then press the button 6 times to reset. If successful, you will see both blue lights flash at the same time. The Connect Air will then automatically enter pairing mode so that you can pair your headphones. Next, the hardware reset. A hardware reset is used if your Connect Air becomes unresponsive and you're unable to power it on or off. To perform a hardware reset, insert a thin object, such as a pin or paper clip, into the pinhole on the side of the device until you hear a click. This will cause the Connect Air to shut down. Power it back on and continue using normally. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@meaudio.com.